my driver shouting cop.
Cop?
The biker initiated the road rage by approaching the car. But when the driver stepped out, things really escalated.
This rider was at the light when another rider came in at high speed, going right into the back of the truck.
Oh no.
And it turns out that he actually had a seizure right before, but he's definitely lucky to be okay.
You okay?
Emergency video.
So when you're done,
Emergency video.
relay.amazon.com and we'll keep you hauling this season.
Emergency video.
Stuck in debt and looking for a long-term solution. Tackle new challenges each day. And a career that will grow with you.
Emergency video.
Are you
Are you hungry?
know how to drive? You almost
Max.
fucking killed
You wanna go to McDonald's or something?
McDonald's?
Yeah.
Max.
I know it's late. Takes forever. Yeah.
Max.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. Yo,
How can I not worry?
Wendy's? Yeah, okay.
What?
I'll have McDonald's actually. Just go there.
Max, oh my god!
Hey, how you doing, bud?
Hi, I'm good.
You have a license on you?
Yes, I do. It's my learner's. I get my license next month, actually.
Next month? How old are you?
I am 15, sir.
15. Awesome. So what are you doing?
I recently found these trails up here. There's like nothing over here, so I've just been riding around.
You know you're not supposed to be on these trails?
Oh, I actually didn't know that.
Yeah, you can't be riding these trails.
What are these used for?
Private property in there for private personnel. I mean.
I really didn't know that.
Yeah. So you completed your motorcycle course.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, bud. So you can't be riding back here. I'm gonna need you to go home.
Yes, sir. I know.
All right. You're not gonna receive a citation or anything.
Thank you so much.
You're a trespasser. All right. So you and your beautiful little bike.
Thank you. Yes.
Head on home. Be safe going home, and can't be back here riding.
All right. Thank you so much.